Want to turn Bitcoin into gift cards instantly? Here's a clean setup step by step so you can follow right now. First, pick a reputable provider, Bitterfill, CoinCards, or major retail platforms that accept crypto. Avoid random sellers and check reviews. Next, create an account on the site and verify if it's needed. Search for the gift card you want, Amazon, PUBG, PlayStation, Roblox, any gift card you want. Pick the denomination and add it to the card. At checkout, choose crypto as payment and select Bitcoin. The site will show a deposit address or QR code and the exact BTC amount including any fee. Do not edit amounts. Copy the exact address. Exactly. Now open your wallet, paste the address or scan the QR code, confirm the network is BTC, and send. For instant delivery use, providers that accept 0 confirm or 1 confirm payments, they'll note that at checkout. Otherwise, wait for the required confirmations. After the transaction confirms, the vendor delivers the gift code instantly to your account and email. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.